Okay, I was just waiting for other student. I think almost back. We were talking about the cytoplasm and the function. Function was left. The cytoplasm is a liquid. It works like chemical factory. Here, all chemical functions like respiration, digestion, excretion, photosynthesis, etc., take place. Why it is a site? Why it is a factory? Because plant cell is fully alive. It performs respiration, it needs oxygen, it performs excretion. After respiration, carbon dioxide, the poisonous gas is produced, which is excreted through the process of excretion. This cell is alive, an alive cell. It needs food. Its food is water and mineral and the carbohydrate. They are digested here. A plant cell performs a very special function that is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is that process in which carbon dioxide of the air combines with water from the soil in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Result of this process is glucose is formed. Glucose is the food of plant cell or the whole plant body. Now the next part of plant is cell membrane. Cell membrane is the outer covering. Cell is bounded with a membrane which is called cell membrane. There are three types of cell membrane. As I told you yesterday, in case of animal cell, number one is impermeable membrane, which do not allow anything to move in and out. Second is selectively permeable membrane, which allows only selected particle to pass through it. The third one is partially permeable membrane, which allows certain particles of material to move in and out. In case of a cell membrane is of third type, that is partially permeable membrane. Now the function of partially permeable membrane. This membrane allows certain materials to move in and out. To move in and out. यानी ये किसी चीज को अंदर भी आने देती है मेम्ब्रेन और अपने पास जो चीज है वो बाहर भी जाने देती है. Next is vacuole. A big, large vacuole is found in the plant cell. It fills a large area of a cell in case of plant cell. So the cytoplasm reduced to thin lining. It moves towards the cell membrane. Now, what is the function of vacuole? It is a large storage organ. It is filled by means of air, liquid, sugar, and that structure is called cell sap. Now, what is cell sap? Question is, what is cell sap? Cell sap क्या चीज है? It is a liquid of vacuole. It is composed of some sugar, some minerals, a large amount of water, and broken cells. They make cell sap. Now the question is, it is a storehouse. So what is its function? It keeps the cells form and control the amount of water and mineral. It means the plant cells, they are continuously getting water from the soil, non-stop. Water is coming in their body. So they will swell up, they will burst up. So to control the quantity or the amount of water and sugar, vacuoles store them. They work like storehouse. कंटिन्यूसली पानी जो है वो जमीन से एब्जॉर्ब होता रहता है. कुदरत ने कोई ऐसा निजाम नहीं रखा कि पानी की एब्जॉर्प्शन कुछ अरसे के लिए रुक जाए या बंद हो जाए. इस वजह से सेल फट ना जाए, बस्ट ना हो जाए. कुदरत ने उसको एक ऐसा ऑर्गन दिया है जिसको हम वैक्यूल पढ़ रहे हैं. ये वैक्यूल फ्लेक्सिबल है और एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट अपने अंदर जमा रख लेता है ताकि प्लांट को कोई नुकसान ना पहुंचे. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? द सेल सैप इज अ स्टोरेज एरिया एंड इट कीप द सेल फॉर्म, यानी सेल की जो शेप है उसको बना के रखता है वो. नेक्स्ट इज स्टार्च grains. These starch grains are found in plants' cytoplasm. Starch grains are not found in animal cell. They are somewhat rounded and they are not found in fixed ratio in plant. The number varies. What is the function? They store food in the form of starch. Plants prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis, and the result product of photosynthesis is glucose. These starch grain convert that carbohydrate into starch. So they are called starch grain. Next is the outermost layer. This is the cell wall. In plant, an extra outer layer is present called cell wall. It is made up of a material that is called cellulose. There are three types of cell wall. Now listen carefully. There are three types of cell wall. Plant cell wall, it is found in plant. Bacterial cell wall, it is found in bacteria. Bacterial cell wall, it is found in bacteria. Fungal cell wall, it is found in fungi. Fungi is a group of plants. Now, what is the function of cell wall? Cell wall perform three main functions. Number one, it supports the plant because plants are fixed. Number two, it gives a regular shape. Number three, it holds the other plant cell because plant cells, they are one after the other and they form the tissue. We will discuss in the second chapter what are tissue, but here they hold, or the cell wall, it holds other plant cells. I think it is clear to you, all of you. Once again, I am repeating the types of cell membrane. Someone asked this question, so I am repeating. We have three types of cell membrane in case of plant and in case of animals. Number one is impermeable membrane, which do not allow anything to move in and out. Second is selectively permeable membrane, which allows only selected particles. Number three is partial permeable membrane, which allow certain materials to move in and out. I think someone asking in the chat box, and I hope it is now clear. Now come to the next topic. Is it clear to all of you? Or I am just checking in the chat box. If any other question about it, then I will clear it and then I will move to the next slide. Now you can see the differences. The heading is of differences between animal cell and the plant cell. Number one point in animal cells, no chloroplast, no cell wall. Animal cells do not have chloroplast and they do not have cell wall. What is chloroplast? It is a green pigment, green color of plant. It is not found in animals. While in plant cells, a plant cell has chloroplast and cell wall. Number two, in case of animal cell, vacuoles are small and their number varies. They are numerous, many. In case of a plant cell, vacuole may be one or few, or always it will be a big one. Vacuole big, one or few. In case of plant, their numbers are limited. In case of animal cell, cytoplasm fills the cell. It is almost present in the whole cell. While in case of plant cell, cytoplasm reduced to thin lining. It moves towards the cell membrane. In case of animal cell, no starch grains are found, and in case of plant cell, starch grains are found. Now there is a picture on your screen, you can share it. There is a big difference, you can see it. Cell wall is present in plant cell, in animal cell there is no cell wall. Cell membrane is present in the plant cell, in animal cell there is a cell membrane present, but this is not the difference. You can see the starch grains are present, nucleus is present towards the cell wall, cytoplasm is reduced into thin lining, but in case of animal cells, the cytoplasm is present all over the cell. There are the structure, these are termed as chloroplast. This is the chloroplast. These chloroplasts, they are present only in plant cells, but they are not found in animal cells. I think these 5 points must be clear to all of you. Now, before going to the question, or before winding up the lecture today, I thank you all for joining. Kindly write your name and ID in the chat box, otherwise absent will be marked. Now, in your book, there is a think tank. We have little time, we discuss it. Yes, we have some time. Then after that, I will ask question. Read think tank carefully and try to find out the answer. I like to help you because number 2, you don't know what is this. Number 2 is written, study carefully the diagram of the cell below. Do you think it is an animal or a plant cell? Explain your answer. Now we have not discussed in this chapter this thing, so I would like to clear this question. This is not an animal cell, not a plant cell. It is a bacteria. Why it is a bacteria? Because all the bacteria, they are termed as prokaryotic cells which do not have a proper nucleus. This structure do not have a proper nucleus. That is why it is the structure of bacteria. Now, try to find out the answer of number 3. Can you match the following term with the main part of the cell? Explain your answer. Warehouse. In case of plant or animal cell, I told you what is structure is called warehouse or store house. Filter. Which thing is going to filter the things? What is the computer center? What structure is called laboratory? Food factory. Stiff box. And question number 4, in question number 4, there is a statement, Jinkui grazed her knee. After a few days, the skin on her knee healed on its own. What does this tell you about skin cell? Very simple. It tells us that the skin cells are alive. So due to the process of reproduction, new skin covered her knee. Okay, I am winding up my lecture here. If you have any question, you can ask. and then I will give you a chance, then unmute yourself and I will reply you. If you have a relevant question, then kindly ask it. And before that, the assignment, there is an assignment of, we will take later, a question take, we will take question. Okay. Assignment number 2, read the chapter Self from page number 175 till 177. Now come to the question. Anyone have question? Raise your hand if you have any question. Now, Rumesa, you are asking about the homework. You have to do your homework on a copy number 1. Science copy number 1. Mohammed? Yes, what is your question? Muhammad Ali, what is your question? Muhammad Ali, what is your question? Unmute yourself. Okay, next. He is not asking anything. Muhammad Umar. Yes?
असाइनमेंट किस पर मिलेंगे?
असाइनमेंट बेटा आपको जो कॉपी मिलेगी, आपको जो बुक शॉप से कॉपी मिलेगी, उसमें आपने अभी देखिए असाइनमेंट हमने रीडिंग दिया है, ठीक है? असाइनमेंट में आपको सिर्फ रीडिंग दिया है. जब आपको हम रिटन असाइनमेंट उस वक्त देंगे जब आपको कॉपी बाजार में अवेलेबल हो जाएंगी. इंशाल्लाह बहुत हो जाएंगी. ओके?
यस मिस.
और आपको सब आवाज वगैरह सब क्लियर थी बेटे?
यस मिस.
और समझ में आया अच्छी तरह से?
यस मिस.
बस शुक्रिया. की बात होगी. How many pages you have to read? I have mentioned, actually you have to read the whole chapter. First assignment is up till page number 174 and the second is 175 till 177. It means you have to read the whole chapter. And Subhan Sheikh, your question is, what is fungus? Correct. Fungus is a type of plant and this is the category of plant which do not have chlorophyll. ये ऐसे पौधे होते हैं जिनमें क्लोरोफिल नहीं होता. फंजाई जिसे कहते हैं, आम जबान में हम इसे काई कहते हैं. काई तो आप समझते हैं ना, चीजों में काई लग जाती है. Now Muhammad Ali, your question is starch grains. Starch grains are plant में वो organs होते हैं जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट को कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं स्टार्च में. क्योंकि पौधा जो है वो स्टार्च नहीं बनाता, कार्बोहाइड्रेट बनाता है, ग्लूकोज बनाता है. उसको रिजर्व फूड में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए वो उसको स्टार्च में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. जी, पंजाए आपको मैंने अभी बताया. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. पंजाए आर अ ग्रुप ऑफ प्लांट. ऐसे पौधे हैं जिनके अंदर क्लोरोफिल नहीं होता. ये आगे क्लासेस में आपको बहुत डिटेल में आएगा. अभी इतना समझ लीजिए कि ये ग्रुप ऑफ प्लांट है और बैक्टीरिया जो है वो प्लांट और एनिमल के बीच की कैटेगरी है. इनमें कुछ कैरेक्टर एनिमल्स के होते हैं और कुछ कैरेक्टर प्लांट्स के होते हैं. आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर. फंक्शन ऑफ वैक्यूल्स. दे आर द स्टोर हाउस, वैक्यूल जो है वो स्टोर करते हैं। प्लांट्स में इसका काम क्या है, ये एक्स्ट्रा पानी को भी अपने अंदर रखते हैं ताकि प्लांट के सेल बस्ट ना हो जाए। और बस्ट क्यों ना हो जाए, क्योंकि प्लांट जो है वो कंटिन्यूटी से पानी एब्जॉर्ब करता है और पानी का स्टॉपेज रुकता नहीं है।